Here's everything you need to know about Soft99's Ultra Glaco. Ultra Glaco uses the renowned Fuso technology to provide 12 months long durability and protective properties. No need for accessories other than a clean microfiber. The integrated felt applicator head will do the work for you. Before you start applying, deep clean your windscreen with Glaco Glass Compound Roll-On. It's a must when you are looking for the best possible results. Apply the product to the glass in a criss-cross motion. Wait until weight deposit appears and polish it with a clean, dry microfiber. After the application, let the coating bond to the glass. Crucially, don't let water get in contact with the glass for 12 hours. One bottle will give you 5 to 8 applications on the windscreen or 2 to 4 applications on all car windows. This means that one bottle can last you many years. It's effective not only when it rains. In summer, spring and autumn, it makes removing insects or tree sap a breeze, while in winter it reduces the buildup of frost and ice. It's a year-round anti-weather coating. We hope you liked our how to apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.